Very quiet out there right now in West Michigan with some high clouds coming in ahead of our next system. You can see as far as you can towards the horizon right now. Temperatures ending up in the middle to upper 60s and some 70s still out there. Most of us will be down into the mid 60s overnight. We're also going to start to see our humidity levels rising. We can really see this happening through mid-morning tomorrow. Dew points in the 60s and even the 70s, which is very oppressive when we consider how it feels out there when it gets hot outside like it will tomorrow. But also that amount of moisture in the air is energy helping to fire up some storms. And we also have some forcing mechanisms that will help to invigorate some of those storms and make them strong to possibly even severe. The first chance that we have of that is this cluster back into Illinois, very electric. That will be making its way towards West Michigan. Maybe the whole cluster not surviving, but that low pressure system itself has a little bit of spin, so that will help to give us the chance for a few storms early tomorrow morning. Then we'll see a few more storms possible into the evening and overnight ahead of this front. This front not actually coming through though until Saturday, so that gives us more opportunity for heat and humidity with that front to help spark some storms. Some of those could be strong to severe as well. So our severe weather outlook for tomorrow, roughly along and south of 96 and the yellow slight risk, level 2 out of 5 will be our best environment for some severe storms. But it's what we call a conditional threat because those morning storms, they could take a lot of energy out of the atmosphere. If we have some clouds and everything too, we may not even get much in terms of this evening round, but if we do, they will be strong to severe because we have high energy levels in the atmosphere. So for tomorrow, damaging straight line winds will be our biggest concern along with some heavy downpours, but we can't rule out a brief spin up tornado. Saturday, it's much the same scenario. We have another slight risk for potential for severe storms, primarily along and east of the 131 corridor. There could be a couple rounds of storms again on Saturday as well, and damaging winds will be our primary threat there too. Still can't ever completely rule out a brief spin up, especially when we know that there is some natural spin in the atmosphere to contend with. So we can see some showers and maybe a few thunderstorms, non-severe, early tomorrow morning between 4 and 6 a.m. Then we'll see the bulk of the cluster come onshore between probably 8 and 10 a.m. Again, we could have some strong storms, but likely not going to be severe for the morning. A couple of thunderstorms into the evening. Other model runs have more storms in the evening than this one, so that's what I mean about the conditional threat. There could be a few storms, but the ones out there could be strong. Heading into early Saturday morning, this is probably our best chance at some strong storms that look like they may end up weakening crossing Lake Michigan. And then into Saturday with the cold front, not a whole lot of storm activity, but the ones that form in the afternoon and early evening could be on the strong side. The front, even through Saturday evening, is still way back into Wisconsin, so we could still continue to see some of those storms all the way through Saturday evening. The one good thing about this is we'll finally get some much needed rain, hopefully anywhere from ½ inch to about an inch of rain. And then we can finally rest easy for a little bit too. No real active chances for storms until midweek next week.